everyone. So I got my BoxyCharm Premium and I just wanted to share everything in here with you guys. I did already unbox it on my stories on Instagram, but I wanted to share this video with you of me going through the box piece by piece. So we're going to start. We have the little card. This is Boxy Adore. So we have an eyeshadow palette, some Watermelon Glow Mist, blush, moisturizer, primer, and body butter. So first we have the 24K Gold Foil Moisturizer. I haven't actually tried this brand before. I'm probably going to say it wrong, but I think it's Faccia. So this one looks really cool. It's sealed, so I didn't open it yet, but this definitely looks like something I would love to use. So there's the moisturizer. We have a fan favorite, Tarte Cosmetics High Performance Naturals. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. There's a picture of it on the side. So this is going to be the Tarte primer. Let's open it up and see. So that's a full size of this product. Double Duty Beauty. We'll be trying that out. I'm going to do a tutorial with the products for my premium and probably regular box. I'll combine them together. This is such a favorite for me. I love Glow Recipe. So this is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. I use this already today. I love it. My favorite thing about their watermelon products is how good they smell. They just smell so fresh. I love using this, so this is definitely going to be a keeper for me and a favorite of mine. We have Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. It looks like this one's called Diffused Heat. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. I haven't looked at this one yet, so let's see. Oh, that's cool. So it's a mix. That's awesome. So I'm definitely going to be trying that one out. Here's a huge eyeshadow palette. I haven't tried this brand before. It's like Karity. It's the Picante. Probably said that wrong too. Sorry. 21 warm and vibrant eyeshadows. So they're all warm colors. Let's see if I can open it. Oh wow, these are really pretty. So that's the whole palette, 21. Some really pretty shades in there. So this is going to be a fun palette to try out. I'm excited for this one. And then, last but not least, we have the Korres Guava Body Butter. It smells amazing. So this one I'm definitely going to be using. I like that it's natural, 93.9% natural content. I've been trying to use natural skincare products, so things that are paraben free, stuff like that, formula free of mineral oil, lots of stuff I have no idea how to say, so that must be a good thing if it doesn't have it in it. So this is definitely something I'm looking forward to using. So this is the Korres, this is the body butter, so I'm really excited to use this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this was my BoxyCharm Premium for February. I will be including some codes and a link if you would like to subscribe for BoxyCharm. Thanks for watching, guys.